Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2025, and we're diving into Stellar Bancorp's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Stellar Bancorp has just released their Q3 2025 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from their net income to strategic shifts in their loan portfolio.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the financial highlights. Stellar Bancorp reported a net income of $25.7 million with an adjusted earnings per share of 50 cents. How does this compare to expectations, John?
Stellar's EPS of 50 cents met the analyst's forecast, which was based on a survey of 3 analysts. Their net interest margin also saw a slight increase to 4.20%, up from 4.18% in the previous quarter, indicating a stable profitability environment.
That's interesting. What factors contributed to this performance?
The increase in net interest income, which rose by $2.3 million to $100.6 million, played a significant role. This was driven by higher average securities and yields, as well as increased deposits in other financial institutions.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational aspects, Stellar's non-interest income decreased to $5.0 million, while non-interest expenses rose to $73.1 million. What does this mean for their operational efficiency?
The efficiency ratio increased to 63.69% from 61.87% last quarter, indicating higher operational costs. This was mainly due to increased salaries, professional fees, and advertising expenses. However, Stellar is managing these costs while maintaining a strong capital position.
How does Stellar plan to address these rising costs?
Stellar is focusing on strategic shifts, such as repositioning their loan portfolio to reduce exposure to non-relationship real estate commitments. This should help moderate payoff activity and improve long-term efficiency.
Strategic initiatives and market position. John, can you elaborate on Stellar's strategic initiatives and their market position?
Stellar is actively repositioning its loan portfolio towards a balanced mix of commercial and industrial loans and real estate loans. This strategic shift is aimed at reducing exposure to non-relationship real estate commitments. Additionally, they saw a $143.8 million increase in deposits, which strengthens their balance sheet.
And how does their capital position look?
Stellar's total risk-based capital ratio increased to 16.33%, reflecting a robust capital position. This positions them well to capitalize on merger-related disruptions in their markets, particularly in Texas.
Key takeaways. Before we wrap up, let's hear from Stellar's CEO, Robert R. Franklin Jr. What insights did he share?
CEO Robert R. Franklin Jr. expressed confidence in Stellar's strategic direction, highlighting improved net interest income and margin, as well as growth in deposits and tangible book value. He emphasized the bank's strong credit quality and its well-positioned status to capitalize on market opportunities in Texas.
Thank you, John, for your insights. To summarize, Stellar Bancorp has shown stable financial performance with strategic initiatives aimed at long-term growth. Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Stellar's performance in the comments below.